The Profitec Jump is one of the best heat exchanger espresso machines on the market right now, if not the best. In this video, we're unboxing it, reviewing its key features, and comparing it to its predecessor, the widely popular Pro 400. I'll also walk you through the setup process and show you the essential adjustments you need to get the most out of this machine. Inside the box, you'll find the Profitec Jump machine, 2 portafilters, 1 for single shots and 1 for doubles, a stainless steel tamper, a blind basket for back flushing, a cleaning brush, and of course, the drip tray. Everything you need to get started and pull incredible shots right away. The Profitec Jump features a brushed stainless steel body with American walnut handles and steam joystick levers, giving it a premium modern look. At just 22.8 centimeters wide, it's incredibly compact, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen setup. Being a heat exchanger machine, it allows you to pull espresso and steam milk at the same time, making it perfect for quick morning lattes or cappuccinos. The front panel features a dual pressure gauge cluster, showing both brew and steam pressure, a small digital display for shot timing and settings, and a simple on-off switch, a perfect minimal design with everything exactly where you need it. The Profitec Jump features a 1.6-liter steam boiler and a 2.8-liter water reservoir, which can be accessed by removing the top cover. One great addition is the pump pressure adjustment screw on top of the machine, making it easy to fine-tune your pump pressure if needed. It also features no burn steam and hot water wands, a small but very useful feature. Overall, the Jump refines and enhances an already great machine, making it the premium successor to the Pro 400. Now, let's go over the setup process to ensure you get the best experience from your Profitec Jump. Lift the cup tray to access the 2.8-liter water reservoir and fill it with fresh filtered water. Make sure the steam and hot water valves are closed, then press the power button. The Jump will automatically fill the 1.6-liter boiler, and the digital display will turn on, giving you real-time updates. Use the multifunction switch underneath the machine to choose one of 3 preset temperatures. Position 1, 420 degrees Celsius for dark roasts. Position 2, 424 degrees Celsius for medium and light roasts. And position 3, 428 degrees Celsius for maximum steam power. This switch also lets you enable pre-infusion and activate eco mode to conserve energy. Pre-infusion is a key step to ensuring a balanced espresso extraction. To activate it, turn off the machine. Raise the brew group lever to the upward position. Set the multifunction switch to position 2, middle position. Turn on the machine. The display will show pi, indicating the pre-infusion mode. Toggle the switch to front position and then back to position 2, middle position. The display will confirm with pi and on. Lower the brew group lever and wait for 5 seconds. Pre-infusion applies low pressure water, about 2 bar, to the coffee puck, allowing the grounds to saturate evenly before full extraction. This helps reduce channeling and creates a more balanced espresso shot. Like any other E61 group head machine, it's a good practice to flush the group head with hot water before pulling your espresso. You're now ready to pull some incredible espresso shots at home. The Profitec Jump is an absolute joy to work with, blending modern aesthetics, professional-grade features, and intuitive controls into one sleek, compact machine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced barista, the Jump will take your home espresso game to the next level. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the Profitec Jump?